Both Kremlin and Red Square are famous and historical places in Moscow, Russia. The Kremlin and Red Square were added to UNESCO's World Heritage List in 1990. These places to visit in Moscow are just paradise for any history as well as architecture lovers. Let's know some interesting facts about Kremlin and Red Square and best time to visit. So please watch this video till the end. The Kremlin is a fortified complex located in the center of Moscow, Russia. It is official residence of the President of Russia and a symbol of Russian power and authority. The word Kremlin means fortress inside a city in Russian. The Kremlin complex includes several buildings, cathedrals, museums, and palaces. The most famous structures within the Kremlin are the Great Bell Tower, the Tsar Cannon, and the Tsar Bell. The Kremlin also houses several museums, including the Armory Chamber, which features the collection of royal treasures, including imperial crowns, thrones, and ceremonial weapons. The Kremlin has a long and fascinating history, dating back to the 12th century. It has been the site of numerous important events in Russian history, including coronations, royal weddings, and political summits. Today, the Kremlin remains a popular tourist destination and an important symbol of Russian culture and heritage. Red Square is a famous public square located in the center of Moscow, Russia. The square is known for its historical and cultural significance, and it has been an important gathering place for centuries. The name Red Square does not actually refer to the color red, but rather to the word krasny, which used to mean beautiful in Russian. Red Square is surrounded by several famous landmarks, including the Kremlin, St. Basil's Cathedral, the State Historical Museum, and the Gum department store. It has been the site of many important events throughout history, including military parades, political rallies, and cultural celebrations. Today, Red Square is a popular tourist destination and a symbol of Russian history and culture. It is also used as a venue for concerts, festivals, and other public events. The best time to visit Moscow is during the months of May, June, and September. During this month, the weather is mild and the crowds are smaller than during the peak summer months of July and August. If you are interested in winter sports such as ice skating, then December through February is a great time to visit Moscow, as the city is covered in snow and has a festive holiday atmosphere. Please leave a comment about Kremlin and Red Square and subscribe the channel to stay with us.